Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and power, backup photos and documents, because removing an update can break apps. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can use ADB if needed. Make sure your phone is charged to at least 50% and note the exact model and Android build and settings. This prevents flashing the wrong firmware. Now reboot into recovery. Hold the specific key combo for your device to begin the rollback process. You'll now remove the update itself. In recovery, choose Apply Update via ADB or Sideload if your device supports it, because that lets you push a factory image. If you have a stock option, use the factory image matching your model and build to flash the older firmware. Mismatch causes bricks. Once the image is applied or updates removed, wipe the cache partition. This clears temporary files left by the new system and reduces the chance of boot loops after rollback. You finish by rebooting the system and waiting patiently. First boot after flashing can take several minutes. If the phone fails to start or gets stuck, re-enter recovery and either restore your backup or reflash the correct factory image. Make sure the image matches your carrier and model. If problems persist, use OEM unbrick tools or contact the manufacturer or a service center for assisted recovery. One key tip: keep logs or error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.